Okay, drivers, with the 4th of July coming up, I've got a smoking deal for you, and that's truck parking, guys. We've got locations all over the nation. Think about this, reserving your space in advance for wherever you want to be. Almost 500 locations nationwide. You can click, book, multi-day, weekly, monthly. Hey, we got truck parking, guys. We're the Airbnb of truck parking, locations all over the nation, and that's the smoking part about it, guys. Check it out. Truckparkingclub.com. We're the Airbnb of truck parking. You can reserve a location just like this. I ain't talking about truck stops. I'm talking about warehouses. I'm talking about all kinds of different places. Old malls. We got truck parking. If you know anybody that's got a lot like this lot that can park trucks, tell them to hit us up, put it on the platform, and help us help you solve the truck parking crisis in America. There's a huge shortage, and we're fixing it one location at a time, guys. Hope you have a great 4th of July. If you need parking for the 4th of July, you can reserve